Hey guys, it's Renee again. Today I want to talk about creating a thank you page in WordPress and then redirecting your contact form to that thank you page. So it sounds a little bit complicated just as we're going through, but once you see what we're going to do, it'll be super easy. So let's go to my test site here, and we want to create a new page. And we want to create a thank you page. So say thank you, or thanks, or thanks for contacting me, or whatever you want the title to be, totally fine. Now, things that you may want to include on your thank you page. The words thank you, so we already have that in the title. And maybe something like what will happen next. So let's say, thanks for contacting me. I will be in touch within 2 business days. Whatever you want to say, your feedback's important to me, or I'm so glad you reached out, anything along those lines. Okay, so other things that you can include on your thank you page. A way to schedule a call or request a quote. So I don't have anything set up here on this site for scheduling a call or requesting a quote, but we could say something like, if you'd like to schedule a call, please do. And we can maybe make this a link. So we'll make it a dummy link for now, but let's say you had a page where they could schedule a call, or maybe you're using a service like Calendly or Book Like a Boss, something like that, and you have a link, or you have a page on your website with a scheduler embedded there. Throw that link on there. Okay. Other things that we can include: how to follow you on social media. If you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter. So I am on Twitter, so we'll pretend that this is the Twitter link here, but we would want to do that. And then if you had some recent blog posts, you could put that there. Again, I don't have any on this site, and we don't need to put everything here, but these are just some ideas. So anything that makes sense for you, you can definitely do that. So again, a list of recent blog posts and or a way to sign up for your newsletter or email list. Now, if you followed my last video and read my last post about how to create a contact form that includes a checkbox, then you wouldn't need this part. But if you didn't, you can put a little form here that says like, hey, sign up for my newsletter, my email list, and here's what you're going to get, or sign up for my freebie, or anything like that. So these are just some ideas, of ways to kind of engage your visitor a little bit more. So let's publish this guy and view the page. Okay, so we have the link here at the top, and we're just going to copy this. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for contacting me. I'll be in touch within 2 business days. If you'd like to schedule a call, please do. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter. And again, anything else we wanted to say. So let's go back now to our contact form. And let's edit that. And if you're using Caldera forms, if you go to processors, you can add a processor with a redirect. Okay, so let's use that processor. And this says redirects user to a URL on successful submit. So let's paste there. And what the message will say, redirecting. So I put on my current site something like submitting form. Form hang. And the user might not even see this, or they might only see it for a very brief second. So you could even leave what was there already. So totally fine. Okay, so let's save form. Now let's test it out. So let's look at our contact page, and we'll fill this out. Test. Sure, sign me up for the list, send message. And here we go. Here's our thank you page. So if you would like some other ideas on other calls to action that you can take on your website, I have a freebie here on mine. If you look at the bottom of my homepage, it's called Don't Leave Your Visitor Hanging. And they will give you some ideas for calls to action for 11 types of visitor action. So one type of action that we talked about here was filling out a contact form. But what should you do when someone visits your homepage? What should you do when someone visits one of your service pages? What should you do if they sign up for your newsletter? So here's a bunch of ideas here. If you want to sign up for my list, you can go to my website, reneemorozowicz.com, and get that guide. So if you have any questions on this, please let me know, and I will talk with you again soon. Thanks so much.